good, y'all? It's CherokeeAmour here, and today I'm going to be showing y'all some texture shots on my hair as I rinse out this deep conditioner to prepare for my locks. So I go on ahead, turn on the shower, and let me tell y'all, it is cold. It is cold. So this video is to help give an idea of the type of hair texture that I have for anybody who may relate. So as you can see, I unbraided my little twist, used my little Denon brush to get a good rinse out. I'd say I have like 3B, 3C hair. So I go on ahead, rinse it out really thoroughly, make sure that I get all residue and stuff out so that it can be as clean as possible. So I like to use twists. They're very easy. Always section your hair out when you are washing and detangling. So every time I rinse out, I retwist it up just for manageability, to make sure that I can keep the intended curl pattern, as well as just making sure to be able to see clearly the hair that I'm dealing with. So as you can see, I'm making sure to squeeze out the hair at the ends of the twist once I rinse it out. I try to be very thorough, especially since this is going to be the last time I'm washing my hair as it's loose. I'm extra late, but I realized late in the game, like, Bray, you should have been wearing a swimsuit. Okay, so towards the end here, I am squeezing out all of the water that I can, trying to get some good texture shots here to show you guys the type of curl pattern I have. So my curls are tighter in the back, and of course looser and wavy in the front, which really be getting on my nerves sometimes, if you want me to be honest. Okay, if you want me to be honest. So once I'm done with squeezing out all the excess water, I go on ahead and retwist that hair to make sure that I can keep it manageable, because the next step in this process for me is blow drying my hair. So that will actually be the next video that you see, is me blow drying my hair to prepare and do my 2-strand twists, because that is the method that I'm doing to start my locks. So yes, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Feel free to continue to watch to the end, and yes, can't wait to see you guys next time. Don't be surprised if I say a little something at the end too. JK. Y'all have a good one. Ow.